visiting a new swim tennis community by Toll Brothers, Holbrook Reserve. It's part of the highly rated Forsyth County School District and has easy access to Georgia 400. Right now, they're offering some great incentives for buyers, which I'm going to tell you about at the end of the video. But first, let's go check out the model home. It's called Hillside Farmhouse. Today we're going to be touring the Hillside Farmhouse floor plan. This floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. It is perfectly sized at 3,415 square feet. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. The Hillside Farmhouse has some amazing features, like a 2-story foyer and an option for a dramatic glass-enclosed office, as well as a beautiful primary suite, which we are about to see. The Hillside Farmhouse floor plan is one of Toll Brothers' most popular floor plans and can be built in several of their communities. So go ahead, fall in love, and contact me so I can make this dream house a reality for you. Well, that was the beautiful Holbrook model house, and this was the Hillside Farmhouse. And I thought it was great. I really loved all of the upgrades as usual. I love how every single Toll Brothers model house has different upgrades. They don't all look the same, and that keeps everything interesting. But I think my favorite part was the steel and glass enclosure around the office. I thought that was really neat. That was just kind of like the main showstopper of this house. But anyway, this particular house, this model house, is on sale because they're wrapping up construction in the subdivision, and the sales price is $919,000, and that includes a ton of upgrades, and I'm being told that is a greatly reduced price. So they're not offering any additional incentives for this model house. There are still 2 home sites available, and there are incentives for that, for those homes, anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. And then they will also offer additional incentives if you use their preferred lender. Now, Toll Brothers has their own lending company, so if you go along and use theirs, they will supply you with additional incentives like a reduced interest rate, a percentage towards closing, or even some upgrades if it's a house that's not already built. But anyway, this house is priced at $919,000. I think it's great. What do you think? Do you think it's worth the money? I'd love to know in the comments. And then also, if you're interested in looking at more model houses in Georgia, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be touring the most beautiful model houses from all over Georgia. Anyway, that's a wrap for the Holbrook Model House. Thank you for watching. Bye now.